Hello everyone. In this video, you'll see what happens when you launch your meeting. You can launch the meeting by clicking on the three dots and click Launch. Then you're going to click Join. The first thing it will do is ask you how you would like to join the audio. Clicking on Microphone will allow your computer to have access to your mic, which you can use to speak during the meeting, and Listen Only will allow you to listen but not speak. For the purpose of this video, I will choose microphone. It will then do a private echo test for you. Speak a few words. If you hear echo, then click yes and you're good to go. Once you're in the meeting, you have a bunch of options. At the bottom, you'll see an option to mute and unmute yourself. You have the option to leave the audio or join the audio. You have the option to share your camera or turn on and off your camera. You also have the option to share your screen as the moderator or the presenter. Then on the top, you have the option to record the meeting. Just click Start Recording. And you also have the option to pause the recording and resume the recording. So I'm just going to pause the recording for now. On your left side, you'll see the options. The first option that you see is participants. So when you click on the participants window, you can see different options here. You can see the list of participants. You can see who the presenter is, which will be me, who's the moderator. When you click on a certain participant, you have an option to start a private chat with them. As a moderator, you also get different options. So you get an option to make them a presenter, you get an option to promote them to a moderator, and you can also remove a participant. In this case, my participant is on mute, but in case they weren't, I could have muted them on my end. You also have the option to mute all the participants. And when you click on the padlock, you can also play around with the permission settings for your participants. The next thing that you have here is the public chat option. Under the public chat option, you can talk to everyone who is part of the meeting. You can also click on the attachment option and attach any files that you would want to share with your participants. A little fun thing you can also do is right click where it says send message to public chat, or double click for Mac, and you get the option to select an emoji, and you can send some fun emojis in chat. You also get a polling option and a closed caption option. These options are going to be explained further in the next few videos. On the main presentation window, clicking this button will hide the presentation, and then clicking this button will restore the presentation. This button right here would make just the presentation full screen. And if you want to make the entire screen full screen, then just click on the three dots and click on Make Full Screen. This way, your entire screen, your entire meeting screen is going to be full screen. On the three dots, you also have the option to leave the meeting, and as a moderator, you have the option to end the meeting for all. You also get certain annotation tools right here, but these tools will be explained in another video. I hope this video helped you explain some basic features of the video assignment meeting space. Thank you.